In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Alerts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set a simple price alert so you can step away from the screen and still stay on top of key moves. Let's start by getting to the right place. Open a stock in details. This is the page that gives you the full picture for a single symbol: price, chart, news, and more, all in one focused view. If you're watching a particular ticker, make sure you're on its details view so the alert you create applies to that exact symbol and not something else. Next, click Alerts. You'll usually find this option on the details page near other tools for that stock. Opening the Alerts panel puts you in the dedicated spot for creating and reviewing alerts tied to the symbol you're looking at right now. Now enter the price that should trigger the alert and choose the condition: above or equal, or below or equal. Think of above or equal as your breakout or upside trigger. You'll be notified when the last trade reaches or crosses the price you set. Below or equal works the other way. It's for pullbacks, breakdowns, or downside risk levels. Pick a number that matches your plan. For an upside trigger, you might place the alert slightly above a resistance area to avoid noise. For a downside alert, set it a bit under support so you're only pinged if that level is actually breached. Be mindful of fast-moving pre-market or after-hour sessions. If the stock is volatile, give yourself a buffer so the alert fires meaningfully rather than on a fleeting tick. If the ticker trades with wide spreads, consider rounding your level to a price that reflects the typical range. When your condition and price look good, click Add. You should see the alert appear in your list for that symbol, confirming it's active. From this point forward, Benzinga Pro will monitor the live price for you and notify you the moment your condition is met. If you ever need multiple alerts around the same stock, say one for a breakout and one for a pullback, you can repeat this process to cover both scenarios without staying glued to the chart. That's all there is to it. Open a stock in details, click alerts, set the price and direction, and click Add. Keep your levels realistic, align them with your trading plan, and let the platform do the watching so you can focus on decision making when the alert arrives.